Okay, so today is my day one of catfishing, but for another half an hour I gotta, probably about 15-20 minutes. I gotta wait because my mom is left with my fishing pole in the back of the truck. So I gotta wait, so I'm just doing a quick update for today. Just to let you guys know that I'm doing catfish today and not like bass or anything, because look, there's not even leaves on the tree yet. So, yeah, just walking along the rubbish pile. Nothing. Usually I find lures along here, but not today. I searched everywhere for lures, haven't found a thing. Last night, me and my buddy went out. We caught, I think, what was it? 13 brook silversides, just a little minnow. And when I caught them, I was like so excited. I was like, finally they're back out. Oh, and look, there's 2 wood ducks out there. If you look, there they go. Wood ducks. Those aren't bad. So, yeah, just doing a quick walk, nature walk, kind of. Just looking around. There's an old spot I go to. Yeah, I just fish in there all the time. And then my bucket. This is my neighbor's house, so yeah, we kind of trashed it with our stuff, but we'll clean it up. Anyways, here's where I'm going now. I'm going down to a local park. I don't know, there's a lighter. Yeah. Wearing the smallest boots I could possibly find, because that's all the boots I have. They don't even fit, really. But yeah, I'll just show you over here. This is where we've been catching these brook silversides, just in this little bay. Yeah, there's my spot along there, the whole river, Bing Island over there. And yeah, we're just fishing in Dunnville, Ontario. Plain old Dunnville. I'll just catch pike, catfish, walleye, not as many walleye and pike, but I found a little perch spot, but they're not in there right now. What else was there? I'm not too sure, but there's a lot of sunfish. I know that for sure, but I'm not too sure about snake. I've actually never seen one get pulled out of here, but we do catch bowfin in here, which is a native fish to here. You're actually not allowed to keep them down here, I'm pretty sure. Well, I don't think you're allowed to even net them or spear them. But yeah, so here's a little spot where we freaking minnow catch. The water came up a lot, so there's got to be dead minnows all over the place. If there isn't, then I'm surprised. Just take a look around. Oh, there's one. Right here, brook silversides. Hold on. Clear the dirt off of them. Brook silverside. Its nose kind of points upwards and then it comes out in like a parrot beak. Like the beak of a bird is what it looks like. Almost like those ones that are flying back and forth through the trees. You can't really see them on the camera, but yeah, and there's a brook silverside. Just keep him for bait. I swear, if I find a lure today, I'm gonna be out of my freaking mind. Been looking for lures all day. Haven't found one. That log right there was way down there, like last week. Oh, here's my hockey stick that I threw in the river a while ago. We were spearing minnows just for the fun of it. We were just throwing spears at minnows like that. Just flat bottom. Didn't hit a thing, but yeah, so nice beating stick. What else is there? Some pole holders. I'll go down to my local boat launch. Yeah, so just looking around. I'll pause until we get there. If I can pause. No, can't even pause. Alright, so walking there now. Well, I guess we'll maybe wrap up the video. I don't know. Pause it and see what happens. But if this is the end of the video, then thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe. Stay tuned for my newest videos coming out today, and not tomorrow. I won't be doing it for about 2 weeks because I'm at my friend's house out in the country. So yeah, see ya.